Ever wonder what a passive radiator does? Well, keep watching. One thing passive radiators are not are active speakers. First and foremost, they have no electronic parts, but they do look like active speakers, and that's important. The long and short of it is that passive radiators are meant to be installed in conjunction with actual powered speakers to create an even deeper low-end result. As the active speaker pushes and pulls the air inside your enclosure, the passive radiator will react to the pressure change by moving back and forth. Naturally, this pushes the air on the outside of your enclosure as well, giving you that extra boost of sound. In order to achieve your desired low-end alignment, you can add mass to the passive radiator to change its resonance and adjust the system's tuning frequency. But why not just use a port? They're simple, easy, and cheap, right? Well, sure, but keep in mind, ports take up space. The deeper the tuning, the bigger the port will need to be. In smaller, low-tuned designs, like portable Bluetooth speakers and soundbars, the port could easily require the same volume as the actual enclosure, possibly more. You can see why passive radiators are especially effective in these designs. Larger, high-displacement subwoofers can have the same issue. In order to tune a system low while still handling enough airflow to avoid chuffing, ports can quickly get out of hand and create a significant increase in overall enclosure size. Passive radiators just need room on a baffle. So keep it small, but while you're at it, you might as well make it look good. With matching active and passive units, your project will look like it has more drivers for a visually impressive style, all while keeping everything compact. Win-win. Dayton Audio goes out of their way to make sure that there's matching radiators for most of the popular active drivers. So next time you want a small box, deep low end, and a nice looking design, get yourself a matching passive radiator. And if you want to learn more about how to choose the right product and even the science behind it, click the link and head over to the dedicated page. Thanks for watching and happy building.